Here in this chapter we'll learn about the font coloring and toggle buttons. So here's the like hang tag, so you want to color it. So how to color it? Just select it, and then here from theme colors you can change into different colors. So here I can choose this color and it will change, so if you want to change in, like, select it and then choose the color you want. So if you want to change this data, select it and select the colors that you want, and it all will change. So here are some toggle buttons like bold, italics, underline. So if you want to make data bold, click, then this will be bold, and after that again this will be the previous one. So same here, if you want to make it italic, then it will be like this, and after the clicking again it will be back again. If you want to underline, then you just select and click, and then again it will deselect. So here you can use these buttons for and format your fonts.